I don't know if you can tell. I'm going to see if I can interact with this. Yeah, it's not the greatest images, but Cangiante shading. So you may have heard of this. It's somebody, I forget who it was, theorized that this was a discovery of the Renaissance period artists, that you would do the shading side of a color with a totally different one, like this yellow, you know, vestment, and it goes in the shade and it turns kind of, you know, violet blue, and over here this red one turns violet blue, and it's cangiante. Cangiante is in Italian is like a change. So cangiantismo is a changing color, using different color hues, which is what we've been saying, for shadows. And you see, this is the bigger picture. This is Michelangelo. This is the cleaned version. And you see the green and the orange. I don't think that the colors are really good in this reproduction, but they're trying to get at this point of using these different colors to change. I don't know why that's there. Well, I really, frankly, cannot even understand this as being a rule that anybody would want to have. It almost seems obvious that what they were trying to do was they were trying to depict, I think anyway, trying to depict shot silk. And if you know what that is, it's a type of material that you can see, hopefully you can see the red in some of the areas and the kind of a blue violet in others. And the reason for that is that this has, you know, two different colored threads interwoven with each other. And so in different light, you get the blueness, and others you get the redness, and others yet you get the more violet, which is the mixture. And it's beautiful. It's very hard to depict, but you see, I don't know if you can see it. I'm looking at the image that I think you're looking at, and you can see how there's a variation in the red at the top, and the more reflective parts are much bluer. And trying to paint that is hell. I've tried to paint this once, and I think if you saw the painting, you'd think I succeeded, but I wasn't even close. I wasn't close to what this looks like in real life. And I tell you, it was very, very challenging. I think I might try it again sometime in a still life painting.